with me. If you can really keep your eyes peeled, you'll see also monkeys and all sorts of interesting stuff. So just stay with me. Waterfall time. It's going to be exciting. It's getting real over here. It's getting real jungly. Costa Rican jungle, off the grid, off the map. Watching out for sloths and all sorts of other creatures. It's very adventurous. Feel like Lara Croft and the Tomb Raiders. What are your thoughts so far?
There's bugs.
She's a woman of very few words, but they're very meaningful. She's hot, there's bugs. That's all you need to know at this point, crew. Massive bamboo above us. Obviously, this grows like wildfire in this tropical environment here. Whoa. 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 Watch out, it's very slippery. It's like super slippery. That's the original air plant right there. There you go. Horses are breathing harder than we are. We're tough. Beauty. This is what it's all about. Getting in the wilderness, getting one with nature. Damn. We don't know if we're going to be able to make it, but we'll try. Oh my God.
And it's an army of one. And it's me. This is how all our vacations start. At the end of the day, I'm completely worn out. I have no knees, no breath. I'm sweaty. And then watch us just keep going. He said, keep going, Elena. You got more. I'm gonna make you walk until you drop.
It's true, but we get to see these amazing sights, so it's a compromise. That's our life. Yeah. Here we are, Costa Rica, baby. There's Elena doing her thing right there.